Guys, literally, I always freaking forget to, yeah, that was too zoomed in, to charge my camera. And so this is like at the lowest percent it could be. And yeah, anyways, I know you guys saw that title. So give me one moment. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, I need to explain myself. So Eric reassures me that I am not special and this is not the reason why we're moving. But low-key, I think I kind of had something to do with it. And I feel kind of guilty, but he reassures me he wanted to. Okay? So anyways, we've been in this house for about 2 years and it's been nice and dandy. I love this home. I love Oklahoma in general. Honestly, Oklahoma is a vibe. It's a vibe. I love everything about Oklahoma. Low cost of living, the weather, the food. It's like not too big, but not too small. Anyways, but hence why I feel guilty, because I feel my reason for wanting to move is actually kind of pretty superficial. And basically I just wanted a new house. I want something bigger, so now with baby, I feel like we need an extra space, like a bonus room kind of, so where Eric can do his stuff and then baby stuff can be there, just like a play area, a hangout area for everyone. And we didn't really have that at this house, and I kind of want a more space, like privacy. I told him it doesn't have to be a newer house. Like, I'm fine if it's older but bigger, because we could always fix it up. Preferably on some land. But he's like, why do you want land? It's not like you're outside anyway. He knows I'm a material girl. But he's right, like, low-key, outdoorsy stuff is like the opposite of me, because I'm terrified of bugs. And yeah, so he's like, you don't make any sense, which is true. With that being said, what is this video about? Okay, yeah, I was gonna show you guys how messy my house is right now. It's actually embarrassing, and all the things that we have to do, I have to do, which I shouldn't complain because Eric does so much for us, but he's actually away working, doing inventory stuff, and he's gonna be away for like a week, and then after that he's gonna be away again. Basically, I feel like I'm not gonna see him for a whole month, so technically I have to get the house in a pristine condition as if nobody lives here, but we do live here with the baby and 2 cats. Okay guys, so I have to show you what I mean, and it's just so much. So first of all, we have a lot of newborn diapers because he didn't go through all of them. Clothes, which I'm trying to decide on whether to keep them or not, because, and clothes everywhere that just doesn't fit us, and somehow I'm supposed to find a place to put all of that so it looks like nobody lives here. But anyways, I have to go now. I put some stuff on the marketplace, and some people are gonna come and pick it up later today. So yeah, bye. Stay tuned.